Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a passkey in the IMO app. This feature enhances your account security by allowing you to log in using biometric authentication methods. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Accounts and Security. Click on it to access all security-related options. Next, choose Passkey from the available options. Then, tap on Create. Now click on Continue. This may involve verifying your identity using your fingerprint, face recognition, or PIN, depending on your device's capabilities. By setting up a passkey, you've added an extra layer of security to your IMO account, making your login process both safer and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.